Today we got our hands on the S21 5G. I just got this in the mail yesterday, and here's an unboxing video of the S21. So this is the matte black version, and it's the 5G. So this phone is obviously has a really thin case to it because it doesn't come with a charger, and you probably will be seeing this trend along a lot of the flagships. So this phone actually does, the packaging is even cheaper than most Chinese smartphone companies. It's literally just a box, no screen protector, no casing for the phone. You only get the SIM card tray. You don't even get a charger nowadays. But this is what you get for buying a premium flagship phone. So you get this Infinity O display. It does. Actually, I thought this was a pre-applied screen protector, but it's actually just a screen protector that you have to remove since it's not an actual film that you can use. But it does have a pretty good premium feel to the hand. The back is the matte black version, so this is what it looks like. It does feel like, it doesn't feel an actual like premium phone to me. I mean, it just feel like any other smartphone. It does have a plastic feel to it, but the curve on the edge is really nice. It does have a really good feel to the hand. And for this phone, it does actually feel like a 6.53-inch display, even though it's, they claim it to be a small display. The chin on the bottom is very thin, comparing to like the A series that I use, the A51. It's a really subtle difference, but you do feel the difference in it. The Infinity O display, the Cope punch is pretty small, but overall, I'm gonna test this camera out. This camera has the zoom lens and the regular 48 megapixel camera. So I'm gonna give this test for a couple of days, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a solid phone, since this is a flagship device. But stay tuned. I'll be doing photo comparison between my A51 and versus this S21 that I got. And let me know in the comments below, do you guys dig this matte black look, or the other colors? They're white, purple, and I think they also have a green one, I believe. But let me know in the comments below, which color would you guys prefer. And please, if you like this video, subscribe and like. Thanks.